Ashley, aka Yoyo Superstar, and today we are going to learn a front style combo. Looks like this. Today I'm using this brand spanking new Guitarist Yoyo. Look how shiny it is. This is a brand new Yoyo from Rain City Skills. It's going to come out on June 18th. I will drop details in the description below. And I'll also include information on how to get this Yoyo Girl t-shirt as well as my exclusive Rain City Skills Style Points Giraffe t-shirt. This combo requires you to know 5 fundamental tricks. These tricks are barrel roll, boingy boing, Mach 5, poppin' fresh, and ripcord. You're also going to want to know how to get into a split bottom mount. Now I am going to explain each trick, but just know that there is a video for each of these tricks on YouTube already. I'm just going to show you how to put them in a combo. So if you have trouble, make sure you search on YouTube for the specific trick. So first things first, we're starting in a split bottom mount. You're going to throw the yo-yo down, and then you're going to lift up the string with your non-throw hand, pointer, and then you're going to mount the yo-yo on this leftover string here. From here we're going to go into the trick barrel rolls. So we're starting in that split bottom mount, and then we're going to bring our non-throw hand pointer down and around, and then we're going to pass the yo-yo forward onto the string. So we're back into the split bottom mount. And we're going to do this for this combo 3 times. So after you do 3 barrel rolls, now we're going to go into the trick boingy boing. So we're actually going to bring this non-throw hand pointer down, and it can actually be at an angle, sometimes that's easier. And then we're going to move our throw hand up and down to propel the yo-yo forward and bounce off of the string, and then back onto this back string. So boingy boing is just going to look like this. You're going to straighten out your hands, and then you can see the yo-yo's just going up, or my throw hand's just going up and down, and the yo-yo's going back and forth. Then if you want it from an angle again, make sure you line up your hands, that's most important, and then just up and down with your top hand. Alright, so now we're on to the 3rd trick in the combo. So after we do 3 barrel rolls, 3 boingy boings, you're now going to go into a Mach 5. So you're going to bring this non-throw hand down and around, like this, and you're going to open up with your throw hand pointer. You're going to basically push it back, and then you're going to bring this around taut, like this. This one is easier if you watch a full video on it, but that is just the basics of the Mach 5. You're again going to wrap it around 3 times. So now we're already halfway through the combo. So we've got our split bottom mount, 1, 2, 3 barrel rolls, 1, 2, 3 boingy boings, 1, 2, 3 Mach 5s. So now we go into the poppin' fresh. A poppin' fresh looks like this, and I'm going to break it down for you now. So to break down the poppin' fresh, if you're doing it without the combo, you get into a split bottom mount, and then you Mach 5, okay? Then you're going to pop the yo-yo up, and you're going to switch your hands. Now it's important here that when you're switching your hands, your throw hand is going to go over your non-throw hand, but under the yo-yo. Okay, and you just switch them back and forth. Again, another one that's helpful if you watch the full video, but that's the breakdown of the trick. We're so close now, we just need to know how to come out of the combo. So here's what we've got so far. Split bottom mount, 1, 2, 3 barrel rolls, 1, 2, 3 boingy boing, 1, 2, 3 Mach 5, 1, 2, 3 poppin' fresh. Now we're here. We're now going to ripcord. So all you're going to do is underpass the yo-yo twice onto these double strings. 1, 2. Pull out your non-throw hand pointer, drop everything, and you're actually in a bind. So again, if you're practicing ripcord on its own, you're just going to push the yo-yo into these double strings once, and then twice. Pull out your non-throw hand pointer, drop everything, and then bind. And the full combo together looks like this. Throw the yo-yo down, split bottom out, 1, 2, 3 barrel rolls, 1, 2, 3 boingy boing, 1, 2, 3 Mach 5, 1, 2, 3 poppin' fresh, 1, 2 on that ripcord and bind. So that is the full combo. As long as you know your fundamentals of front style, you should be able to to achieve this, but again, if you need to know more, please check out other videos on YouTube to help you out, or ask in the comments below. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below, and always be respectful. My name is Ashley, aka Yoyo Superstar. This is The Guitarist by Rain City Skills, coming June 18th, 2021, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.